Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and analyze the hottest products on the market. Today, we're diving deep into the world of beard care with what many consider to be the best beard wash for men out there, the Scotch Porter Moisturizing Beard Wash. Let's get into it. First off, let's talk about what makes this beard wash stand out from the rest. Formulated to cleanse, hydrate, and soften coarse, dry beard hair, while simultaneously protecting the skin underneath. This beard wash is a game-changer for anyone serious about their grooming routine. Now, what sets Scotch Porter apart is not just its promise of a gentle, hydration-rich cleanse, but also its potent ingredients. With burdock root and nettle leaf to promote healthy facial hair growth, and aloe vera to soothe irritation and reduce flakiness, this beard wash is like a spa treatment for your beard. And let's talk about that scent. Warm spice and powdery musk mingle with hints of sandalwood and carnation to create a fragrance that's both rugged and refined. It's like a symphony for your senses every time you lather up. But what really sets Scotch Porter apart is its commitment to quality and integrity. Founded by Calvin Quallis with a vision for clean, non-toxic grooming, Scotch Porter delivers premium performance without compromise. And with a focus on vegan and cruelty-free practices, you can feel good about what you're putting on your face. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the results they've seen with Scotch Porter Moisturizing Beard Wash. From softer, more manageable beard hair to a healthier, irritation-free skin underneath, the reviews speak for themselves. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the ultimate beard wash experience, look no further than Scotch Porter Moisturizing Beard Wash. Trust me, your beard will thank you. That's all for today on Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy grooming!